Good morning. It is Saturday morning. It's post-up day number 3 after my right shoulder repair and some biceps repair. I've been talking for about 10 minutes and I didn't realize I wasn't recording, so I have to do it all over again. Bummer. Anyway, last night I couldn't sleep. Um, I did take my melatonin and hoping that I would, get a good night's rest, but I only slept for about 2 hours. 2 o'clock in the morning, I was wide awake, like it's noontime. So I tried to still, lay down and try to get back my sleep. After an hour staring at the ceiling, I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna maybe watch something to keep me, get my eyes tired and finally maybe hopefully go to sleep. But here comes 5:30, 5 o'clock, 5:30, and I'm still up. So I was awake the whole time. And I'm like, bummer. And so, good thing I don't have to go to work, of course. So, by 5:30, I I think I was able to sleep, but 7:30, 8 o'clock, I have to get up because I need to take my medications. I have to eat first and I have to take my medications. I don't want to be late for my pain meds. Um, Last night we took the big bulky dressing. The big bulky dressing is gone, and it was really clean and dry underneath. I have three little incisions here, little teeny tiny ones where they did the arthroscopic repair of the shoulder, and then I have uh, also a wound here. I don't know if that was stapled or glued or sutured. I because there's still a dressing. There's a tegaderm and a 4x4 covering it. I didn't take that off. Um, the top three one, the little ones from the arthroscopic site, they have little stair strips, so that stays until it falls off. I don't know about this other tegaderm that has a 4x4 on it. Um, but otherwise, I didn't see any bleeding or any dry blood or anything like that. So that was really clean and dry. A little bit of swelling, of course. I've been icing it, and I will ice it again today. Um, I really don't have like what we call it, like an excruciating surgical pain. Oh, it's gonna. It feels more of a heaviness, and it gets tired right here. I would say my pain level is really below 3. And it's more of a heavy discomfort on this area, on and off depending on how I move. There's a strip of muscle back here that I can tell, is getting tired because of the positioning. My neck is getting tired from trying to. This one is kind of getting tired, like not really sore, but like I can feel like it's working more because I keep on keeping this arm at the right height and right bend and angle. So my muscles around here and the scapular area in the back also is working more than usual. So I could feel those muscles getting tired. Also over here, um, because the sling is attached here. So it was uncomfortable at night, but it wasn't too bad. I mean, thank God I'm a back sleeper. I also a side sleeper to my left, so I can do that, but I haven't really tried it. I might try tonight because I could not find a good position for this. I don't want it to be messed up when I go to sleep. So today I'm just gonna really chill. It's really cold today. It's raining since yesterday, and it is quite cold. So it's a challenge to put a sweater on and off. So I just kind of have this big cardigan and draped it over me to keep me warm. I will continue to ice this all day, be on top of my pain, do my ambulation, my treadmill, um, and just to really rest. Other than that, I hope I don't get any spikes of pain in between. Yesterday, I was trying to really keep my pain at a bay, and so I took one of the Oxycontin during the day, like around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. in 10 minutes, I was really very dizzy and lightheaded, and I felt really nauseated. So I had to take Zofran-2. And then after that, I just sat down in the sofa and closed my eyes and just rest and took a nap there. Good hour or two. And when I woke up, I feel refreshed. The dizziness, lightheadedness is gone, and there was no further, nausea, or I did not vomit or anything like that. Just really nausea. So, by the way, because I remember when I woke up the first day when I had a surgery, there's a portion where they repaired the biceps, like the incision on my upper arm. There's a portion there where it felt um, like as if a sticky um, dressing was pulling off my skin, and I thought I was having some blister formation. But I had a nurse checked it when I was getting dressed, and she didn't really see anything. And then when I went the other day or yesterday to have my sling adjusted, I have the therapist also looked at it, but he couldn't also see anything underneath. So, but last night when when we took off the big dressing, there is, like what I said, there is a big tegaderm, the transparent dressing, and there is a folded 4x4 gauze underneath. I think the sticky part of the tegaderm was on top of my incision, part of it at least. And I think that's what I was feeling, as like burning, pulling, really, burning sensation. I hope my incision did not dehisce. I'm going to keep an eye on it because there was really no new drainage, but it's still in the only spot that is kind of sore, and I still have the burning feeling. I hope I really didn't pull that incision apart, dehisced it. Well, I didn't do it. They the ones who put the tegaderm on top of it, so I'm going to keep an eye on it, and I might have to give the doctor's office a call. It's the weekend, so I didn't want to go to the ER or to urgent care and have someone else look at it when they are not the one who did the surgery. So I am going to monitor and closely look at it, and I don't think I can take a shower for now. Sorry, because if that is the heat, I don't want water running through it. So that's the only reason. I'm supposed. I was planning to have the shower today or tomorrow, as instructed by the doctor. Of course, I have to wait that long until all my anesthesia is worn off. But now I have that little part of the incision is really burning, like burning feeling. I didn't like it. Like I think it might have dehisced. So, but we'll see. So that's the only update I have for today. You all have a good day. I'll let you know what happens next. Thank you. See you next.